In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at the Elementor, step by step. So let's get started. So here we are on Elementor.com and here we have options like website creation, Elementor for resources, etc. Inside website creation we have options like drag and drop live editor, workflow optimization, 90+ widgets, e-commerce, marketing platform, Elementor plus WordPress, advanced web creation, all features. Then we have Elementor for web designers, marketers, developers, agencies, SMBs. Then we have resources and inside we have tutorials and courses. Next is community and inside that we have community hub. Then we have its pricing options. Below we have more features like live drag and drop editor, 90+ widgets, pixel perfect design. Then it says one platform, unlimited web creations including business and services, portfolio and CV, creative, e-commerce, events and entertainment, landing pages, media and blogs, health and wellness. Then more features like advanced web creation, professional workflow, enhancing WordPress. Then we have few testimonials. After that we have their stats which says that 8 million+ websites are built with Elementor. So this is its homepage with all the details. Let's go to top and select pricing from here. Now we have all its plans. First is essential for one pro website which is $49 per year. Then we have buy now button and all its features. Next we have advanced which is for 3 pro websites, then for 25 pro websites, then 100 pro websites and then for 1000 pro websites. Below we have its features table indicating what's included in free version and in pro plans. So you will get just these 2 features in free version, the rest are included in pro plan. Then we have more pro features over here with Get Elementor Pro button. You can take a look at all its features. So this is the brief introduction about Elementor. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WP Learning 101.com and start mastering WordPress today.